Okay. Okay, I will check. I will check. Yes, you can come now. Okay. Can you see the board? Okay. Okay. No, no. From my side, okay, no problem. You just go back. Okay. Yes. Fine, fine. So you can go in the next computer. No problem. You can go in the next problem. Just don't disconnect the WhatsApp. Okay. Yeah. You go and open from there. No problem. Yes, have you come? Have you joined the stream? Okay. Yes, I can hear you. Okay, okay. Take your time, get ready, and then. Have you opened the stream? What you are doing, man? Any problem, man? Is there any problem? You are breaking the things, huh? That sound is coming. Keys tapping sound is something making me feel like you are breaking something with hammer and then that chisel. Yes, I can feel it. It's already 12 minutes about to over. So I can understand something really has happened wrong. Always with us this problem happens, no mean. Code of what? Okay, okay, okay. Hmm. Okay, okay. Okay, try. Okay, then leave for today. Okay, we'll start from Monday. Fine. Then let us leave today. No problem. You just get your things ready. What, father? You have a school class now also today. So how will you then attend your school class? Oh, like that for you it is. Yes, yes. I'm here. You just check if in 5 minutes it's okay. Then no problem. Okay, so can you read? No, what is written? Polynomials. No. Okay. Okay. Just we will discuss. We will discuss and we'll go to the next exercise. Okay. Okay. So let us see both. No, no problem. We will do in fast. Are you ready now for the class? Okay. So now see, find the remainder when this is divided by x minus a. Okay. So how we will solve? Let px is equal to this. No. Let this be the px, x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. Okay. So remainder will be what? Tell me. Remainder will be p of what? We have to find the 0 of this x minus a. No. 0 of x minus a, that we have to find. So x minus a is equal to 0. So x is equal to a. X is equal to a is the 0 of x minus a. X is equal to a is the 0 of x minus a. Now what we have to find for the remainder? P of a. Yes, P of a means in place of x we have to substitute a. Okay. So let us substitute now. So a cube minus a into a square plus 6 into a minus a. No. This dot means multiplication only, no problem. A square, you keep like this. Okay. Okay. So a cube and minus a into a square. How much? A into a square. When the two numbers are in multiplication and the bases are same, the powers are added. So a cube. No. When the two numbers are in multiplication with the same base, the powers are added. So 2 plus 1, 3. A cube. Okay. So here we will get the x cube minus ax square. For x cube I substituted a, so I got a cube. Okay. See here, see step by step, don't go ahead. See here, x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. Now we have to substitute a in place of x and we have to find its value. Why? That will be the remainder. So now we are substituting a in place of x. So a cube minus a into a square plus 6 into a minus a. Okay. Any problem? No. So a cube as it is I wrote. Now a into a square how much? A cube. Then plus 6a. No, plus 6a minus a. Okay. 6 into a, that is 6a. Same thing. 5a, and a cube minus a cube means 0. So we are getting here 5a. No. So the remainder is 5a. Okay. Now let us see here. No, it's not like that. It's not like that. Okay. So now see here. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of this or not. Okay. Whether this value, listen, whether this value is a factor of this or not means if I divide 3x cube plus 7x divided by 7 plus 3x, if I divide this 3x cube plus 7x by 7 plus 3x, whether we will get remainder 0 or not. Okay, so check whether this is a factor of this or not, this polynomial. So remainder so of this 3x cube plus 7x when divided by this, whether we will get 0 or not. So what to do? Find the remainder. Find the remainder. If the remainder is coming 0, we will say yes, it is a factor. If the remainder is not coming 0, we will say it's not a factor. No? Focus on the question. This is a factor of this or not. So divide this by 7 plus 3x. When dividing this by 7 plus 3x, whether we will get remainder 0 or not. If we get remainder 0, then it's a factor. If you don't get remainder 0, it's not a factor of the dividend. Okay. So again we have to use the remainder theorem. No. So let what will be px here? Let px, tell me, px is equal to what? What we should assume, px, this or this? 3x cube plus 7x. And gx, what you are dividing with? So can I write 3x plus 7? Can I write 3x plus 7? Or anything 7 plus 3x, that also okay, 3x. Now what will be the 0 for 7 plus 3x? Finding, we have to find, no, finding 0, 0 of 7 plus 3x. What you have to do? Find the 0 of the gx, substitute in px. Find the 0 of gx, substitute in px, that will be the remainder. If remainder comes 0, we will say it's a factor. If it is not coming 0, we will say it's not a factor. So finding 0 of 7 plus 3x. So 7 plus 3x is equal to 0. How much will be the 0 of this polynomial? Tell me. Minus 7 by 3. So x is equal to minus 7 by 3. Okay. X is equal to minus 7 by 3. This is the 0 of this gx. Now what to do with this 0? What to do with this 0? Tell me. Yes. So P of minus 7 by 3 we will find, okay? P of minus 7 by 3. So 3 into minus 7 by 3 whole cube plus 7 into minus 7 by 3. No? So let us solve this. So for this whole cube, (343), okay? So we'll get 343 here, and minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus by 9 to 3, 27. Minus sign will be here. Be careful. Minus sign will be there. Yes. By 27. And then into 3 is there? No. Yes. So what will happen? This 3 will cancel. Yes. So minus 343 by 9. 9. Hmm. So it will become 49 by 3, no? And minus sign is here. So minus, okay. Now we will solve this. How to do? Take the LCM. LCM will be 9. 9, 9. 3 and 9, it is 9, man. 9, 3, LCM is 9. Then minus sign as it is. And 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 and then 3 into 4, 9. 3 into 49. 3 9 to 27, 7, 2 carry, 3 for the 12, plus 2, 40. Minus 1, 47, okay? 7, 7. 3 9 to 27, 7, 2, 147, okay? Now, both are negative sign. No, both have the negative signs. What to do? We will add. So 7 plus 3, 10, 0, 1 carry, 4, 1, 4, 4, 8, 1, 9. And then 3, 1, 4, 490 by 9 with negative sign. This is 147, 147, not 142. 3 into 49, how much? 3 into 49. You can see the board, no? What I am doing, you can see. No, it won't go. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 is not divisible by 9, so it won't go. So the remainder is not coming 0. Is it coming 0? What was the question? Check. Check the answer. It will not be a factor, okay? No, that is the only answer. And hey, listen to the question. What is the question? Check whether this is a factor of this or not. So I checked and I got the remainder this. I got the remainder. So remainder is equal to remainder. This was remainder of P of this. I got remainder this. Now while dividing, if the remainder is not coming 0, what does it mean? It's not a factor. So what you will write? Since next, what you will write? Since remainder is not coming 0, remainder is not equal to 0, so it's not a factor. Like this we will write next. See, since remainder is not equal to 0, so therefore 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 3x square plus 7x, 3x cube. Okay? The question was check whether this is a factor of this or not. So no, this is not a factor of this. Okay? Why? Because remainder did not come 0. So you want to copy it? Finish? No. Shall I rub this? Let us start 2.4. Now you open and just check the first question. How to do? You tell me. Think and say. Take your time, think and then say. Determine means to find, tell, say. Okay, find and say. Determine. Determine. Determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 a factor. What is the question? Can you dictate which of the following? What is that? Which of? Means below we have been given some polynomials. Of those polynomials, we have to check x plus 1 is a factor of which polynomial. No? So just now we have solved the one factor problem. X plus 1 can be factor of the given polynomials only when dividing the given polynomials with this, the remainder comes 0. We will say x plus 1 is a factor. No? What are the polynomials given? Let it be the first one. X cube plus x square plus x plus 1. First one. It's asking that if whether x plus 1 is a factor of this or not. Means understand what it means. It means x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 on dividing by x plus 1, okay, whether you will get remainder 0 or not. If you will get remainder 0, you can say x plus 1 is a factor of this. If you do not get remainder 0, you will say x plus 1 is not a factor of this. So again all the sums based on factor theorem only. Okay? Sorry, what? Can you understand the question what is given? So where I am dividing, I am explaining what does it mean by factor. Okay. So I am not telling you to go by this full division process. We have to use the remainder theorem only. Okay. The same thing. Now tell me what I should do. Tell me. Let us write in the solution px is equal to okay, and then okay, then so x plus 1 is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 1. Next what? Now remainder is equal to p of minus 1 we have to find. And then come on, help me. Next what? What should I write here? Now how much? Plus 2 then. So since remainder is equal to how much? 0, therefore x plus 1 is a factor of done. Okay, understood? Now you can try all the sums. Okay, just help me with the fourth sum. Means of first, second, third, all you will try. Fourth also you will try. Let us discuss here little fourth one. What is the question? X cube dx is minus x square x plus root 2. Okay, and gx is x plus 1 again. No, same thing. Now tell me fast in this. 0 of gx, 0 of gx, x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. No. Now remainder what? When px divided by gx, that remainder. Okay, remainder, what the remainder will be? Tell me. Remainder is equal to p of minus 1. Come on, that we have to find. What will be the remainder if? Yes. Come on. Yes, tell me then, fast, tell me, fast. Minus of? What to tell you? Here, man, here. Minus 1 whole cube I wrote, not that, what should I write? Minus, then? Wrong, no. This is minus in the px. In place of x, what should I write again? So say minus of minus 1 square. You say like that, no? Minus 1 whole cube minus, again minus 1 whole square, then again minus 2 plus root 2 as it is, and then under bracket what? X, that is in multiplication, so minus 1 and plus root 2. Now tell me the values fast. Okay, then plus 1 and then into minus, so this will be plus 1, minus 1 square means plus 1, and then minus sign is there, then again it will become minus 1, isn't it? Now tell me. See, this minus, this complete and this complete, all are in multiplication. We have one minus sign here. So when you will open the bracket, this minus and this minus will become plus or not? They will multiply, they will get multiplied with each other. So minus sign into minus sign, how much? Plus sign. So plus 2 plus root 2 will come? No. Plus 2 plus root 2, when you will open the bracket, directly it will come 2 plus root 2. First to understand, minus and minus here, multiplied and get plus, okay? Now we got plus 2 plus root 2. Now when we will open the bracket, plus sign will get multiplied with each. If before plus sign, no sign will change inside. So 2 plus root 2 as it is it came. Then plus root 2. Done. Next what? Tell me next what I should write. What should I write? Minus 2 plus 2. You tell root 2 root 2. One mango, you are adding plus. Yes, of course we can add. So it will become again you are multiplying and addition your problem. See what you are telling. This you are telling. This is root 4, this is 2. It is multiplication. Where is the multiplication here? It is just addition. Root 2 plus root 2. How much? 2 root 2. Next what? Minus 2 and plus 2 cancel. So 2 root 2 finally, okay? So remainder here is not 0. Since remainder is not equal to 0, therefore yes, px. Yes, that you have to write in the last full. Okay? So the first sum done. Understood how to find the factor, whether it is a factor or not? Now see what is the next given. Read the question and think how to do. Yeah, you please copy. You copied? Yes, copy. It is important. Good one. Finish no? Now see the second question what is given. Read once. No, I told something. I told to read the second question. Yes, what is it? See again the same thing. Same thing that different question but same thing. You can also try all these sums easily. See px is given, gx is given, and it is asking find gx is a factor of this or not. So what we are doing now here, we are checking the remainder. Actually, it is a factor theorem. Okay, from the remainder theorem, Means factor theorem is not a different thing, okay? It's just an application of remainder theorem, okay? Remainder theorem we understood, no? Remainder theorem says, one second, listen. Remainder theorem says how to find remainder. Remainder theorem only says how to find remainder, okay? Factor theorem is an application of the remainder theorem, that if the remainder is 0, it's a factor. If the remainder is not 0, it's not a factor. That is the application of remainder theorem. So factor theorem is nothing new. It's just ahead of, one or two step ahead of remainder theorem, okay? So don't get confused what to do in factor theorem, what to do in remainder theorem. Both are almost same. So just like that we have to do. Px and gx are given, no? In the question, second question, px and gx are given. What to do? You just find the 0 of gx and substitute in place of px. Check whether remainder is coming 0 or not. If it is coming 0, it's a factor. If it is not coming, then gx is not a factor, okay? Just like this you can try all the three sums. Fine. Can we proceed next? Did you understand this or not? What to do in 2.4 second question? Okay, then say yes or no. Now third question. Read the third question. Now what do you understand from this question? X minus 1 is what? X minus 1 is a factor. Now it is not asking check. It is not asking check x minus 1 is a factor of px or not. It's not asking that. What it is telling? X minus 1 is a factor of px. Understand this. So if x minus 1 is a factor of px, what does it mean? The remainder must come equal to 0. See, when we were checking something is factor of this polynomial or not, we checked remainder, no? If remainder is 0, we say it's a factor. If remainder is not 0, we say it's not a factor, okay? So just the reverse of that, that if it is given that gx is a factor of px, what does it mean? The remainder has to come 0. Okay? Yeah, it will come 0. Without any doubt, the remainder has to be 0. No, if some polynomial is a factor of this, yes. So now let us discuss third one, how to solve. So easy, okay? Let us see the third one, fourth one, okay? Or second one you see, root is there. Fourth and second one. No. Fourth of the third one, okay? Fourth of the third one. Fourth of third, second I told, sorry. Second of third, okay? So what is given? Px, p of x, 2x square plus kx plus 2, okay? Okay. So if you will understand, you can try all the four sums of third one, okay? Now see here, easy only, not tough. Find the value of k. We have to find the value of k, okay? So forget this, find the value of k, forget this for time being, okay? For a while, you think that if x minus 1 is a factor of px, if x minus 1 is a factor of this, then what do we understand from this? That this is gx, remainder will be 0 without doubt, no? So this is gx. Yes. So if this is gx, 0 of gx. Tell me 0 of gx, how much? X minus 1 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 1. No? So 1 is the 0 of gx. No? What to do with this 1? What to do with this 1? What to do with this 1? Yes. So when px is divided by gx, the remainder will be what? P of 1. No? Tell me. Remainder will be P of 1. Isn't it? And what must come P of 1? Tell me. It's already given. It's a factor. It's not telling that, asking that whether it's a factor or not. Already given. It's a factor. So P of 1 should come what? Should come equal to what? The remainder should be what? Yes, so P of 1 should be what? P of 1 is only remainder, no? It should be 0, yes. And this is the equation we have to solve. We will get our answer. We will get our, find the value of k. From this we will get k. So let us find P of 1. How much P of 1? 2x square. In place of x, yes, we will substitute 1. 2, 1 square plus k into 1 plus root 2, and that must be equal to 0. Why? Because it's given, it is a factor. So this is the remainder, and remainder must be equal to 0. So that is the equation we got. Now if we will solve the equation, we will get our answer. Okay, that's the value of k. Now come on, tell me fast. 1 square means 1. 2 into 1? 2 plus k into 1? K. Plus root 2 is equal to 0. Now how can I get k value? I will send all the values this side, other values, no? So it will become minus 2 minus root 2, no? So whether you write minus 2 minus root 2 or you take minus sign outside, it will become 2 plus root 2, no? So this is the value of k. Either you write directly minus 2 minus root 2, or minus you take outside and under bracket you write 2 plus root 2. When I will open the bracket, this will become minus 2 and minus 2 root 2, same thing. Sorry, minus root 2. Minus 2 and minus root 2, same thing. Okay, so just turn the page and check the value of k, no? Yes. Yes, Yeshua. What is the answer? Okay. Under bracket. So this is the written in the book answer. Okay. Both are same thing. Either you write this or this. No problem. Okay. Understood how to find k? Simple. Simple. The remainder theorem only we applied and we made it equal to 0 and then solved the equation. We got the value of unknown. What was unknown here? K. What was unknown? K, and that was being asked. How much is k? So we found k. Okay. Easy, no? So I want to see all 2.4, 1 to 4. First sum full 4, then second sum full 3, and then third sum all the 4. Okay, fourth and fifth we will discuss in the next class. Means on Monday. Okay. So today you will send me the homework because Saturday and Sunday you are telling that you are busy somewhere. Okay. So after school class you will finish 1 to 3 and you will send 2.4. Okay, I want to see. Fully done. Understood? And don't copy. You will do by yourself. Okay, then only you can. Fine then. Okay, then we will see in the next class Monday. Yeah, I will check in that. Yes. Okay then. Okay, bye. Take care. Bye.